Assalamu alaikum. Let's say you walk into your car. You could be at the ATM. You could be at the park. You could be at the gas station, pumping gas, or supermarket, regardless of where. And suddenly, someone just walks up to you and starts yelling and screaming all kind of profanity, saying, "Go back to your country." What would you do? How would you react? We live in a challenging time, and main concern is safety and security for our families as well as for our community. The case of hate crimes
have risen tremendously, especially against minorities and Muslims.
Violence protection, a very sensitive topic that every community needs to address. Do you know what to do in a case of confrontation? Do you have a preventive plan for your family's safety? This workshop is a must-have for every community to be aware of what to do. Some of the key topics include true nature of violence, types of violence, the mindset of violator, and how they pick their victim. Self-defense, is it a myth? Does it work? How about in real life situation? Do we need to run and get a self-defense class? How would that work? Is there a difference between how women protect themselves versus men? Sports versus street. It's not the same thing. Psychological scars and consequences of violence. Situational awareness. Proactive and preventive measures. 5 most common scenarios
Everyone needs to know. Pre-planned violent attacks, violent confrontation, escalated attacks, altercation, youth and kids, clashes and fights. If safety is important and
your community does not have similar workshop done before, book the workshop today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.